Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have recently updated to iOS 27 and noticed your iPhone battery draining faster, apps feeling sluggish, or you are concerned about privacy, this video is for you. Today we will go over several iOS 27 settings you should consider turning off right now to improve battery life, reduce lag, and enhance your privacy. So guys, iOS 27 comes packed with new features and AI powered tools, but some settings can run continuously in the background and impact your device's performance. By adjusting a few options, you can make your iPhone run smoother and potentially extend battery life throughout the day. First, consider reviewing a background app refresh. This feature allows apps to update content even when you are not using them. While convenient, it can consume battery and system resources. You can find it by going settings and then general, and from here scroll it below and go to background app refresh and disabling it for apps that don't need constant updates. So guys, you can disable from here. So guys, another settings worth checking is location services. Many apps request location access even when they are not actively being used. Navigate to settings, then privacy and security. So guys, go to privacy and security, and from here go to location. So guys, you have to simply go to location services and change unnecessary apps to while using the app or never. So guys, you can see this, you can check this to while using or never. This can also help to save the battery and improve privacy. So guys, after this, if you have concerned about privacy, review analytics. Concerned about privacy, review analytics and improvements under settings and privacy and security. So guys, here you can go to privacy and security, and from here you can go to analytics improvements. So guys, turning off options that share analytics data with Apple can reduce background activity and limit the amount of diagnostic information being sent. You may also want to disable necessary live activities for apps that constantly update information on your lock screen. While useful for certain tasks, they can contribute to battery drain over time. Another helpful adjustment is limiting excessive notifications. Too many notifications can wake your screen frequently and consume power. So guys, visit settings and then notifications and disable alerts from apps that aren't important. Finally, if you don't regularly use Siri suggestions or certain AI powered recommendations, you can review those settings and disable features you don't need. This may reduce background processing and help your iPhone feel more responsive. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.